Python Flask Form and Result Part 1. In this video, you are going to learn why it is convenient to separate form and result, and how to separate form and result. Open a browser and access the Product Managed List menu. I will divide this page into two parts. One part contains a search form, and the other part contains search results. In more detail, I will construct these two parts by using two different URLs: Product Managed List 0 and Product Managed List 1. Product Managed List 0 provides the full document for the menu, including the top navigation bar, the side navigation bar, and the search form. In addition to that, Product Managed List 0 has an empty div container for the search result. In Product Managed List 0, the search result is not provided, but only the empty div container is provided. Product Managed List 1 provides search result with input parameters given in the search form. It does not provide the full document. The top navigation bar, the side navigation bar, and the search form are not provided in Product Managed List 1. Only the search result is contained in it. Product Managed List 1 is called by Product Managed List 0 using AJAX. First, modify the blueprint. vi blueprint product.py. Route Product Managed List 0 is added. Create the corresponding template for the route. vi Product Managed List 0.html. This template extends basic layout menu.html. Layout menu.html describes the entire layout and contains the top navigation bar and the side navigation bar. The block content follows. The design of this block is taken from Bootstrap. The search form begins here. The ID of the form is form product managed list 0. The form will be submitted to a separate route of product managed list 1. Form div is a special variable of hidden input type to represent the place where the search result will be displayed. It is created specially for this purpose, and please do not use it for other purposes. In the present case, the search result will be displayed inside the div element of div product managed list 1. The user input parameters follow here. Product ID, product name, product price 1, and product price 2. And div product managed list 1 is an empty div container for the search result. When the submit button is clicked, function basic submit form is executed, and the form is submitted using the AJAX method. The entire page is not reloaded, but only the search result is displayed in the div container. Take a look at the basic.js file. Vi basic.js. This file has been uploaded in the GitHub repository. The URL of the repository is given in the video description. Function basic submit form requires one argument. Form ID is the ID of the submitted form. By analyzing the form, this function determines several variables. Form method is the method of the submitted form. Form URL is the action of the submitted form or the destination URL. Form parameter is the serialized parameters of the submitted form. At the end of the function, basic submit get div where basic submit post div is executed depending on the form method. Basic submit get div is a wrapper for jQuery.get. Basic submit post div is a wrapper for jQuery.post. In both cases, the first argument is form URL or the destination URL. The second argument is form parameter. And the third argument is form div or the destination div. In order to use the AJAX method, it is required to install the jQuery module. Make a directory for the jQuery. Make directory jQuery 3.6.0. OSS stands for Open Source Software. The reason for using the OSS directory is to easily manage the open source list to avoid license issues in the production environment. Download the jQuery file. See URL, download URL, -o, jQuery 3.6.0 min.js. It has been downloaded. Finally, include the two JavaScript files, basic.js and jQuery min.js in layout menu.html. vi layout menu.html. jQuery.min.js is included. Basic.js is included. At the end of this template, remove unnecessary JavaScript which was used only on the home page. Restart a patch, and then open a browser and access product manage list 0. The search form appears. If the search button is clicked, the overall page remains unchanged, and only the search result will be displayed by using AJAX method. I will explain this point in more detail in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.